Hey everybody, Bobby 2 Pounds Breaks on Saturday, June 18th. We are breaking Hit Parade licensed jersey. She's a one boxer. Randomed up our 3 remaining box numbers. 28 is what we got. Random team sales on your left. Series 2 here, guys. Random team sales on your left. We've already randomized teams. Customers alphabetized. Everybody did give him a couple minutes to trade. Didn't hear anything. No, Matt never responded. So here we go. Bugger seal. I have no idea. Lance McCullers, guys. Never friggin' heard of him. Looks like a Houston jersey, though. We'll see. Again, McCullers. It is a nice sig, though. I will say that. It's a nice sig for the guy. Yes, sir. Going to be an Astros hit, everybody. Majestic on the jersey there. Gonna be an Astros hit for the Lance McCullers. I have no idea what kind of hit that is. Not really up on my current MLB. TriStar certification on it. Who is Houston? The hell is Houston? Well, all the way on the bottom, folks. Going to be a sneaky Pete hit on that one, guys. Very sorry to the rest of you. That is going to wrap up that one boxer, folks. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitch. 8 p.m. Central, about at 2 Pops Break. Stop on by and join us, won't you please?